This 2025 Grand Design Transcend 315 RKT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, TV, spare tire kit, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, skylight, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend 315 RKT is 8,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.